Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is week 8 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. These are completely our probable solutions guys. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. So please watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video guys. Let's see the first question. I want to thank each and everyone for supporting our channel guys. So please keep do that. So first question, what will be the output of the following code? So they have given a tuple. They are appending a value and want to get the final tuple. They want to print all the values in the tuple. So for first question, I have got the answer as first option guys, 1, 2, 5, and 3 and 4 is separate, right? So mark first option as the probable solution for first question. Now let's move on to the second one. Guys, already many students have taken our pack guys and practicing from now itself. So take our exam preparation MCQs. I will tell you within short time about that once again. So second question, what operations can be performed on tuples? So second question, so for second question, fourth option is the probable solution guys. We can count the number of instances of an element because tuple is, we cannot, it is immutable. Tuple is immutable. We cannot change values within that. So but they are giving appendable, so we cannot add any element and we cannot delete any element. So but we can count the number of elements. So fourth option is the probable solution for second question. Now let's move on to the third one. Third one, what will be the output of the following Python code? So third question, so for third question, third option is the probable solution guys, 5, 4, 3, 2. So mark third option as the probable solution for third question. Guys, please subscribe our channel if you got benefited through our channel, and definitely like the video guys. If you like the video, our video will reach some more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you, right? So please help our videos reach some more number of students so that they will also get benefited like you through this way, right? So guys, before getting into this fourth question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So guys, we had a collection of 9 past semester assignment MCQs along with the correct solutions. So we can use this for the exam preparation. We can use this as exam preparation MCQs. So there are 5 different packs we are providing guys, or these are customizable as well. You can tell us how many semesters you want. For each semester approximately 120 questions will be there, right? So 125 MCQs, the price is 150 rupees guys for each person. If you want 240 MCQs approximately, that means 2 semesters. For 2 semesters means nearly 240, right? So 240 MCQs 250 rupees. For 3 semesters it is 360 rupees. That means 360 MCQs 360 rupees only. 600 MCQs means 5 semesters. You will get it for just 500 rupees only guys. 600 MCQs for 500 rupees only, and 1000 plus MCQs, that means all 9 semesters combinedly approximately 1000 plus MCQs for just 800 only guys. So already many PhD students also taken our pack, and many professors have taken our pack. Many assistant professors are also taken our various PDF packs guys. So take it now itself. We have almost reached the end of the course, right? So take it now itself so that you can get more time to prepare. So my suggestion is it's better to take 600 MCQs or 1000 plus MCQs pack, because you can cover most number of concepts. More MCQs you can cover, right? So 600 MCQs, that means 5 semesters 500 rupees, and 9 semesters 1000 plus MCQs for just 800 rupees only. So the price is less and more number of MCQs are getting in the 5th pack. So if you are interested in any of these packs, you can mail me to this email ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So already many students have started taking our packs, including professors as well guys. So we have total 9 past semesters assignment MCQs So you can mail me to this email ID if you're confirmed to make the purchase, guys. So this is the mail ID. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So you can take a screenshot and you can discuss this with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp college groups. So share this, guys, share this image. You can take a screenshot of this screen, this frame, and you can choose which pack you want. If you take it along with your group of friends, there will be some discount also available, guys. These are only for one person prices, for one person, right? So for one semester approximately 120 questions will be there, because for each there will be 12 weeks of courses. For each week there will be 10 questions, right? So approximately 120 MCQs will be provided. So for 2 semesters it will be 250, 3 semesters it will be 360, 5 semesters it will be 500, and for 9 semesters combinedly 800. Even if you want any combination of semesters for, in between 5 semesters and 9 semesters, you can, it will be customizable. You can take anything you want. So you can mail me to this email id, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So fourth question, what will be the output of the following Python code? So for fourth question, first option Facebook is the probable solution that I have got, guys. Next, fifth one, when will the program print clap? So for fifth question, option second option is the probable solution. When player 2 enters the next letter after player 1. So mark second option as the probable solution for fifth question. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been providing solutions for various courses, including this course as well. So please keep supporting us, guys. So let's see the sixth one. What will be the effect of the following Python code on the graph? So for sixth question, most probably the second two options, second and third options are the probable solutions combinedly. So I'm going with fourth option, guys, both B and C. Guys, if you want to suggest any solutions other than what we have given, you can please give your solutions in the comment section. So let's try it out as well. But these are completely our probable solutions, guys. Next, seventh one. What is the primary advantage of using tokenization in natural language processing, NLP? So for seventh question, second option is the probable solution, guys. It splits the text into smaller manageable units, which helps in processing language more effectively. Next, eighth one. What will be the output of the following Python code? So for eighth question, we have got the answer as third option, guys. Next, ninth one. Guys, if you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, and please share this news within your WhatsApp college groups and official groups. So ninth question. While converting an image into black and white, can it be converted back into a colored image? No, it is false. Next, last and final question, that is 10th one. Guys, before getting into the 10th question, I want to just once again remind you. So for 125 MCQs, the previous packet is 150, guys. From now onwards, we are providing all the collection of past assignment as well. So 9 past semesters assignment MCQs we have got. So 2 semesters 250, that means approximately 240 MCQs will be there, and 3 semesters 360, 5 semesters 500, that means approximately 600 MCQs you will get for just 500 rupees only. From here onwards, pricing will be reduced and more number of MCQs will be added. So 1000 plus MCQs, that means approximately 1000 plus MCQs, and 9 semesters is included within that. So 9 semesters it will be 800 rupees. So for each semester approximately 120 MCQs will be there. So please discuss this with your friends and classmates, guys. If you take it in a bulk, then Price will be reduced as well if you take along with your friends. So these are single person prices, guys. So mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. If you prepare for more MCQs, you'll better cover the concepts, right? So prefer the last two packs, guys. So now let's get back to the last solution. So for 10th question, what will be the output of the following Python? So for 10th question, let's see, guys, the Python code output. So for 10th and final question, first option is the probable solution, converting lowercase letters into uppercase. So mark first option as the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 8 assignment of the course, The Joy of Computing Using Python. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this news with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to purchase this huge number of 1000 plus MCQs pack and other packs, guys. So mail me to this email ID. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you, guys.